Alright, I'm gonna try to start this because I gotta drive over the mower deck because I can't get the thing out because it's stuck against some hoses over there and I don't want to move them, so easy way. We'll see. It's been hooked up to the float charger for the past while. So I'm just gonna assume that it'll be okay. Not 100% sure, but I'm gonna assume. Oil is fine, already checked it, so now it's just a matter of... Old John Deere 420, by the way, so let's see. Throttle. Choke once or twice. Got that. Off. Neutral. Okay. A bit. Okay. Brake. It's all the way out. Throttle all the way maxed. Yeah, old sounds right there. Let's see. Alright, that's a good sign. Choke in. Okay, here we go. Try again. Choke out. Throttle all the way up. Try again. Burns oil like crazy, so... Oh boy, this is not good. Choke all the way out. Try again.